Here's how you can convert your long form podcast or YouTube videos, welcome to Spicy Ones, into a short clip with captions already made for you for free with just one click. Welcome to Spicy Ones, the show with spicy noodles and even spicier conversations. So right here I have a video. It's a really old podcast, but I'm just going to test to see what it looks like. So I'm going to get the link to that podcast and I'm going to search up Opus Clip. And I'm going to click this link. And you actually get a free trial. You just sign into whatever Google account you want. So I'm signed in. You actually get 2 hours for free. And then you just paste your link. So I've used up 22 minutes. So 2 hours is if your video is 17 minutes long, like my video, or 18 minutes, that would use up 18 minutes credit. And you get 2 hours for free. So if I just click get clip with one click, it will do everything for me. It will clip up the video, it will get the captions done, and it should take, as they said, 12 minutes. I'll time it as well, just so we can make sure they're not lying to us. And they said I can safely leave this page and they'll send us an email when it's done. So I just got the clips and it was only 6 minutes around there, so faster than what they promised. So this is what you get. So you get the clip here, you get a virality score, so it's 99 apparently. My friend was very articulate in this interview, must be. So let's have a look at what they produced.
Failure is always just a stepping stone, Remember, it's progress, not perfection. And I really like that. It's all in the journey.
Okay, so that was the video. I don't know why they chopped out point number 3, but I can edit the clip. I can change what color I make certain words. So I can make the screen say, but I think it's better white. I think it was pretty accurate. And I can change the brand. I can upload an image, change the font, change the font colors, auto intro caption, and wow, they even got my friend's name correct. Auto emojis. So you can play around with all those features, but overall it just seems like they did an amazing job for just one click, and you get the captions done for you. It cuts the video. I'm pretty sure my friend's face wasn't in the center of the video, so they must be able to track who's speaking, and that's a really amazing feature. I'm gonna look at one more actually. Welcome to Spicy Ones, the show with spicy noodles and even spicier conversations with students.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you so much for having me on the show. I look forward to what questions.
As you can see, another clip, they tracked from my face to his face. That was actually a really good clip. I might post it on my Instagram, not gonna lie. So overall, is it perfect? Nowhere near perfect. They don't cut out the gaps. You'd probably still need to do a little bit of editing. But overall, for just one click, and you get to have the clips cut up for you and the captions added for you. That's really good. And especially it's free currently, 2 hours free. So it's a really great tool if you're a solo podcaster and you might need this. So thanks for watching. And if you happen to be a health professional trying to grow socials, trying to educate people for prevention, hit me up. I can grow your channels and edit your videos. We can come up with a strategy. But thanks for watching. See you in the next one.